Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
But the marks here clearly weren't made by the kind of tires that Mr. Musty has.
It's Cap!
Rogie, you did it on purpose!
Didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
You woke us up at dawn just to show us a magic trick?
Luigi? On your mark, get set. Uno for the morning. Do.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Gentlemen, start your engines!
We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Look here, boys!
Guido,
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Man,
Is he really as good as they say he is? No. Better.
Welcome back. You look different.
Obviously.
You look ready.
Chiquits. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto.
Gotta work through this stuff so when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Stern.
I'm sorry to keep you waiting, sir. All aboard!
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will... I can't take it anymore. Let's just sneak in there.
Everyone.
To fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the gal left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up?
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Is everything okay? If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
Seen these two fellas doing some sort of karate street performance. It was nuts. One of them even had a flamethrower.
Him? This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man. Pitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out.